All right, welcome back. We got the 2012 Ford Focus back in here. Not for anything major. We got to get some little things done before my son can really drive it. It needs a horn. We got a rear wiper motor for it, and I got new shocks and struts here. I don't know if we'll get into all of that today, but we'll get into a couple of things, and we'll just go from there. I already got the lift set, but I'm going to pop the hood just in case I need to get in there for the horn. But other than that, yeah, I think we'll start with the horn and just go from there. So let's take her up. Anyway, we got a wire connector and a 10mm bolt, and it looks like we're gonna have to get that harness off of there. So let's try getting that harness off of there first. Probably liable to break it as well. Maybe not. I have other Christmas tree zip ties if I can't. There, something's happening right or wrong. Oh, come out of there. There we go. Okay, yeah, that broke. No biggie. All right, let's get a 10, and we'll unplug that when we get it down. We'll just use. That's terrible. And that's probably right in my way. I didn't want that to come out. All right, let's secure that. All right, one old horn coming down. There's our connector. This is now in my way. Oh my gosh. You see that? Freaking light is broken. Oh my. I mean, it still works, but it ain't doing so good. All right then, well, I'm pretty sure I'm well out of warranty for that. Anyway, all right. Let's get this, just a little push tab and a pull. There it goes. Okay, old horn is out. Let's look at our new horn. I just went with a Fium Technologies. Part number looks like AM80SX, or it could be this 7250522. I don't know, it's a kit. It's supposed to come with the factory harness, a bracket, but it's only a single horn instead of a dual. I feel like it should be that one. That's because it is. However, okay, there, locked in. Okay. I guess this will only go the one way. This light is terrible right in my face. There we go. Click. The $1,000,000 question is I have those spots there. Are you supposed to do anything with that? Is there a cap? Doesn't look like there's any cap for that. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's see. Walk around this way. Yep, that works now. Okay, let's put it back up. And we will get you in a position. I can rotate it after I get it started. Okay, there's that one. Okay. That is snug as a bug in a rug. I think I'm gonna zip tie that up and out of the way. Let me do that. I don't need any unnecessary noises. All right, I'm gonna move you just for a moment. Okay, that's all tied up there. Let me get some cutters. All right, there we go. New horn is installed. Let you see up in there, it's just kind of poked out there, and it pokes out this front little spot in the grill there. So I got it angled right. We just tested it, everything's good. So I'm gonna get the splash guards back on, and we'll be done with the horn. might be good because we're going to do that. But one more time just to confirm. It sounds wonderful. I can't even believe it sounds like that. There it goes. That sounds a little better. All right. So there you have it. That's a horn replacement on a 2012, actually probably 2012, 2018 Ford Focus. I know it's kind of a goofy video, but like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.